1966 Shelby Cobra Replica here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This car is titled as a 1966 Shelby. Street Beast body. 302 Ford power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. C4 automatic. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome bumper, headlights, surrounds. As far as paint, I guess I'd call this kind of a cherry metallic with a darker cherry stripe, if you will. That is painted also. That's not vinyl. That is painted on. As you can see, nice shine to that paint. I'll get into details on the paint here in just a little bit. First, I want to tell you where to look at all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on an American Racing polished Shelby style wheel. Of course, BF Goodrich radials. Disc brakes up front behind those wheels also. Now, as far as the paint, there's a few spots, maybe in the clear, where there's some imperfections. Does it still show very well and is shiny, as you can see? Absolutely. Is it perfect? No, there are some imperfections. I'll kind of point out what I'm talking about as I go around. Nothing huge or major, just trying to represent this as fairly as possible. Chrome in good shape on those side pipes. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, of course, center console. B&M quick silver shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side too and take a little closer look at the interior, show you the dash. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's kind of what I'm talking about, just minor little chip. You might have some little imperfections in the clear. You can see those. Again, that's being pretty fussy. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear. And UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you're into Shelbys, maybe like Cobras, Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And as you can see, paint shows well on the driver's side also. Tilt column. You notice it does not have the wiper arms on it. The wipers do work. The post will turn. You can see the wiper switch right in front of that shifter. I'm just going to reach in. It's probably going to be the easiest to fire this up. Voltmeter, you can see, working. Oil pressure, tach, temp gauge. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Fuel gauge appears to be working. These are the lights, and of course the wipers. We're going to take this car for a drive at the end of the video too, so you'll see what it's like going down the road. So nice sounding exhaust, nothing crazy over the top. Obviously you get it out on the road, get after it a little bit. It's going to wake up that exhaust. All right, let's go ahead and turn these to the inside. And remember, Ford Power 302. There it is. So Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock core barrel, Edelbrock valve covers, air cleaner cover. Nice setup underneath there. And again, titled as a 1966 Shelby Cobra Street Beast body. Give me a little bit of throttle here with this. Idea what it sounds like. and also brings it down off the higher idle. It'd be a fun one, folks. 1966 Shelby Cobra Replica. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1966 Shelby Cobra. This has a B&M automatic shifter on the floor. So with an automatic transmission, you can imagine it is easy to drive. Both our turn signals are working. Let's see how she does. What a great exhaust sound from these side pipes. Side exit exhaust. Sounds awesome. We have aftermarket gauges that are all working well. The oil pressure showing 40 psi, volts at 14. RPM right now at 55 miles an hour is 1500, and our speedometer is working. Temperature about 195, and the fuel gauge shows a quarter of a tank. You do have a little bit different view today, as there's no roof on this car and no side windows. So we've attached the camera to a plexiglass visor. One of my favorite body styles ever. It's really hard. I think maybe top 3 cars. The Shelby Cobra is just one of them. We have nice, comfortable little bucket seats in this Cobra. I am 6'1" and I do fit in this car. Manual steering, but it does steer nicely, of course, and very light, and doesn't lean at all in the corners. Kind of like a race car, just a great fun to drive car. And listen to that exhaust note. Definitely take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car over at UniqueClassicCars.com.